Welcome to our DIY Shiplap Ceiling project. Our project was proudly sponsored by UFP Edge. In this quick video tutorial, we're going to show you how we took our tray ceiling that looked like this and transformed it into this rustic shiplap barnwood beauty.
All right, so we have a little project that we got going on. A little delivery happening today. So we've been unloading the pallets of all the really good, fun stuff. And I wanted to show you this color because this is amazing. Check this out. I mean, it's still in plastic, but it is beautiful. Isn't that gorgeous? This is going to be so pretty. This is called a smoke charred wood, and it is beautiful. Okay, so we have cleaned out our bedroom completely. The bed is gone, which is really kind of surreal and bizarre. It's weird to see my bedroom without a bed in it. And we have taken the ceiling fan down. So we are ready to go ahead and start putting the tray ceiling up, which is we are going to start putting the shiplap in.
As you can see from this detailed drawing, this is the pattern that we plan to lay the shiplap out in. We started our cuts from the center under the ceiling fan. This allowed us to make sure that the pattern properly laid out in the tray. We also decided to make all of our cuts at one time in the basement. We were able to lay out all the boards completely in their pattern on the basement floor prior to installation on the ceiling. The boards were then stacked in the exact order for installation per side. Here's a quick look at how it all went up. The next step of the process was adding the complementary angled sides in the barnwood gray. The first step was to add a framework around the base of the entire tray. This was done using the trim boards. Then we found the center of each of the angular walls and added a center piece of shiplap. Once we found the center, we added alternating boards to each side. The boards varied in lengths of 30-inch increments.
Since we don't really have much of the backboard, just the actual sheetrock here, when you nail in using this, I know this at the back there, I checked up above. But what you want to do is kind of hit at an angle, at different angles. So what you're doing is you're putting that nail to go at an angle with the sheetrock at different points, at different angles, which holds it to the sheetrock. So that's all we're doing.
As you can see, the rest of the project went very quickly. One great tip I will recommend is to pre-paint your cut ends of the boards prior to installation.
Hey everybody, so quick thing, I just did all of these, so when I get to this one, as you can see, I've got a nice little, this is for the smoke detector. We've got a nice little thing that we're going to have to show you later what we did with the smoke detector because it was nice and bright white. My wonderful wife came up with a great idea, so I'll have to show you about what we did with that. But I've got to make a special cut here So I'm gonna make some measurements down and across so I can locate this on this board. Use a jigsaw, cut it out. Actually, when you look at it, looks like I'll have to cut a little bit of the other board as well. So I'll have to cut this one, and then this one here will be cut around it just a smidge. So anyway, I just wanted to give you a heads up on that.
A hammered metal spray paint was used to upgrade that smoke detector, and specialty miter cuts created a gorgeous feathered edge for a custom look in the corners. We are very proud of our brand new creation of our Shiplap barnwood ceiling. We hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. For more information, please visit www.genrondesigns.com.